so used to having an expensive conference unit in Office. Just that it has better voice clarity, helps with hearing tiny details, and can even handle bigger groups. But I always miss this when I travel to client side or when I work from home. Well, that was only till I came across eMeet OfficeCore M0. This tiny plug-and-play equipment works the same way as expensive conference units. There is no driver install needed. I just have to plug into the USB port and all my conference softwares, including GoToMeeting, WebEx, and even Skype, starts using this by default. It does not need an external power either. It powers with the same USB port connected to laptop. I like the compact lightweight footprint. It is made for people on the go without compromising audio quality. This has one AI microphone in each direction. There is also a ring light which glows to let people know if the audio is being picked up and also which mic is picking up. This is really helpful to make sure the person on the other side can hear important business talks. The speaker quality is also great. It is as loud as expensive conference units and the voice is clear.
Hi, this is a test call for eMeet M0.
The buttons are located on top and they are easy to use. I like the fact that there is a separate mute button for mic and speaker. If you are looking for a compact conference unit for home office or even to replace expensive units with monthly payment, then OfficeCore M0 is worth considering. Thanks for watching. This is Dak signing off until I see you in the next video.